Since the dawn of time, men have always looked up at the moon in awe. Visible to every living person on Earth, people have always dreamed of visiting it. That dream began to become a reality in 1926 when Robert Goddard began experimenting with liquid-fueled rockets. Instead of just dreaming about getting there, he searched for answers until he understood. German scientists took this research and knew that flights to the moon were possible. Instead of pointing up, Nazi generals directed their rockets to kill innocent people because they could. During the Cold War, tensions were high. The Soviet Union continued to advance toward the moon and launched the first satellite into orbit to show where they stood. America needed direction during this time, and President Kennedy announced that we would get a man on the moon. He pushed NASA to help make that giant leap for mankind because he said he would. To further international relations and to increase our scientific knowledge, many nations joined to take another step together with a permanent space station. They did this because they should. Now we finally have a chance to go back to the moon. But this time we need to go back and stay. Why do we want to go back to the moon? Not because we understood, not because we could, not to show where we stood, not because we said we would or because we should. We need to go back to the moon for good, the good of mankind, the good that comes from everyone having a common vision. Just like everyone can see the moon from Earth, it can become a symbol of unity and a goal that we can all achieve together. We, the Wolves, want to be part of that effort in letting us go back to the moon for good.